Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Litecoin LTC. So I have been using a lot of different platforms to buy cryptocurrencies, but Bitrue is by far the most easiest to use. It's so simple to use. It has always been working for me. I just love it. They have daily reward tasks and all this type of stuff that really gets you hyped up. You get free cryptocurrencies, so why not? To join Bitrue, links in description. Of course, there are affiliate links, so I highly recommend you to click them, and I thank you so much for clicking them. It helps me to grow this channel. Thank you so much. But anyway, when you have downloaded Bitrue app or you use it on desktop, all you have to really do is go to home, then you click credit card. After that, you can select here what cryptocurrency you want to buy. Here you select LTC, aka Litecoin. Then you set how much you want to buy. You can set quantity here, or you can just say your price in USD. They also have different currencies here, so it will help you to buy in different currency if you use different currency like euro or so. And as you can select your currency here, then you can select how much you want to buy, and like you can see here, it takes up to 30 minutes for your cryptocurrency to reach your wallet, which is not that bad. The fees are super low, only 3% or so. And after you have set your quantity, just click buy LTC. And after you have bought your LTC, after 10 minutes, you can go to assets, and boom, your assets are here. Now you have your LTC here. Now what you want to do now, I highly recommend you to store them to offline wallet, to store them for long-term holding. By the means, these are not financial advice. My videos are not financial advice. I'm just showing you how to buy cryptocurrencies. So this is education. But anyway, if you need to buy offline wallet, I highly recommend you to buy them straight from the source. So don't buy crypto wallets from offline wallets from eBay or Amazon, or what I'm saying. Buy them from the company, straight from the company, so that way the wallet will not be hacked. But anyway, go to links in description. Ledger wallet, if you want to buy offline wallet, I highly recommend you to buy it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.